interview questions in Salesforce Sandbox. What is a sandbox? A sandbox is a copy of production environment used for development, testing, and training purpose without affecting the live data and operations. And next, what are the types of sandbox in Salesforce? Developer Sandbox, Developer Pro Sandbox, Partial Copy Sandbox, Fully Sandbox. These are the four types of sandbox. First one is Developer Sandbox. Uh, Development and unit test conducting no production data, but you can see test data. Developer Pro Sandbox, similar to Developer Sandbox but with more storage capacity. Partial Copy Sandbox include selected data from the production environment used for a integration and UAT testing. Fully Sandbox and a complete replica of a production. The including all data and metadata ideal for a performance testing, load testing and staging. What are the refresh interval for each type of sandbox? Developer Sandbox is once per a day. Developer Pro Sandbox once per a day. Partial Copy Sandbox every 5 days. Fully Sandbox every 29 days. What are the main use of sandbox in Salesforce? A sandbox are used for developing and testing new features, conducting user acceptance testing, training new users. The experimenting with new configuration without affecting the production environment. What is the difference between full sandbox and partial copy sandbox? Full sandbox, conducting all metadata and data from a production used for a staging and performance testing. Partial copy sandbox, conducting metadata and sample of production data defined by a sandbox templates used for a testing scenario that required some production data. How do you accept sandbox after creating it? A Salesforce provide a unique sandbox login URL. Example, http test.salesforce.com, where you can log in using the sandbox username at sandbox name and password. And what are the differences between metadata and data in the context of Salesforce Sandbox? Metadata, a configuration like a objects, fields, workflows, and Apex code. Data, actual records such as the contact, and opportunities. These are the sandbox interview questions. మీకు ఏమన్నా మోర్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కావాలంటే ఈ డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో నేను క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇస్తాను. ఎవరికన్నా నచ్చితే ఈ ఛానల్ని షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. బాయ్.